Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Jeffersonville, local and long distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we strive to keep our rates affordable without compromising on the quality of our services. Get a free quote for a long distance moving service from our movers. Our long distance moving services include the logistics of moving long distance are often convoluted. We will also make sure that everything goes smoothly from beginning to end during the moving process. We can supply the packing materials so you don't have to worry about a thing. We can your clothes, books, furniture, as well as special items such as vintage objects or piano. If you need to keep your belongings safe for a while, we also provide stellar storage service. A local move may seem simple enough for you to handle by yourself or with the help of a few friends, but you may soon discover that packing and transporting your belongings requires quite a lot of time and that you don't have everything you need. It is never a doubt that people want reliable service from their local moves. At 3 Movers, our affordable movers can help you with different local moving services such as packing, unpacking, storage, and special item moving such as pianos. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Jeffersonville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.